The keyboard, along with the mouse, is one of the primary and only methods of interaction between you and your computer, indicating the importance of them being reliable and high quality. So, here is my quick review of the Logitech K270 keyboard. The Logitech K270 is built entirely of plastic, perhaps except the aluminum screws which hold it together. They do a great job, but the plastic chassis is quite low quality, as it talks with little effort and the keyboard deck shows a fair bit of play. These, however, don't manage to hinder the typing experience, but what does is that the keyboard also happens to have an odd taper towards the back, preventing it from lying completely flat on a table, making the use of the flip out feet necessary, which thankfully happen to fix the issue. The keys on the keyboard, all the way from the bottom of the number pad to the multimedia keys at the top, feel clicky and satisfying despite their rubber dome nature. No, I'm not saying that it'll type a mechanical keyboard off the desk, but it's still pretty damn good. The battery life on the keyboard has been great so far. The included AAA batteries haven't caused any problems, but the K270 lacks Bluetooth compatibility and requires a USB dongle, which is reliable and hasn't dropped the connection even once in my 3 months of usage. In the end, the Logitech K270 provides a decent experience, but for its price of around 40 Australian dollars, you would be much better off spending your well-earned cash on something mechanical from Amazon. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I'm really trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of this month. Anyways, if you didn't enjoy this video, then hit that dislike button twice. Guys, this has been Mohammed, and I'll see you in the next video.